Learning English can seem like a big challenge, especially if you're just starting. Many people feel scared or unsure about how to begin or what steps to take. But let me tell you, it doesn't have to be so difficult. I want to share my secret with you. The secret that helped me learn English quickly and effectively. By following these simple steps and staying consistent, you too can become confident in your English skills. In this video, I will break everything down into small, easy steps so that even beginner students can follow along. Let's get started. 1. Start with a positive mindset. The first step in learning English, or anything new, is to have the right attitude. You must believe in yourself and know that you can do it. Many beginners think, "I'm not smart enough," or "English is too hard." These thoughts can stop you before you even begin. How to build a positive mindset. Be patient. Learning a language takes time. You won't learn everything in one day, and that's okay. Celebrate small wins. If you learn a new word or understand a simple sentence, celebrate it. Each small step gets you closer to your goal. Avoid comparing yourself. Everyone learns at a different speed. Focus on your own progress. Remember, mistakes are part of learning. When you make a mistake, it means you are trying, and that's the most important thing. 2. Make a plan and stick to it. A plan is like a map that shows you the way. Without a plan, it's easy to feel lost or confused. My secret was creating a simple daily plan for learning English. This helped me stay organized and consistent. Steps to create a plan. Set clear goals. Decide what you want to achieve. For example, learn 10 new words every day. Practice speaking for 15 minutes daily. Finish one English storybook in a month. Make a schedule. Decide when you will study. It could be early in the morning, during lunch, or before bed. Divide your time. Focus on different areas of English like vocabulary, words, grammar, rules. Speaking, listening, writing. Even 30 minutes a day can make a big difference if you are consistent. 3. Learn basic words and phrases first. When I started learning English, I didn't try to learn everything at once. I focused on basic words and phrases that I could use in everyday life. This made it easier for me to practice and feel confident. Examples of basic words. Common nouns. Table, chair, car, apple. Action verbs. Run, eat, sleep, drink. Descriptive words. Big, small, happy, sad. Examples of simple phrases. Greetings. Hello. How are you? Introducing yourself. My name is. Your name. Asking questions. What is this? Or how much is it? 4. Listen to English every day. Listening is one of the best ways to improve your English. Even if you don't understand everything, just hearing the language will help you learn. When I started, I listened to English songs, watched simple cartoons, and used English apps. Ideas for listening practice. Songs. Choose slow songs with clear lyrics like children's songs or beginner-friendly pop music. TV shows and movies. Watch with subtitles so you can read and listen at the same time. Podcasts and audiobooks. Many free resources are available online, especially for beginners. 5. Practice speaking without fear. Speaking is often the most difficult part of learning English because we are afraid of making mistakes. But here's my secret. Don't be afraid. The more you practice, the better you will become. How I practice speaking. Talk to yourself. Practice in front of a mirror or describe what you are doing. I am making tea. Find a partner. Talk to friends or join English conversation groups. Use language apps. Apps like Duolingo or Hello Talk let you chat with other learners and native speakers. 6. Use flashcards for vocabulary when learning new words. Flashcards helped me a lot. They are small cards with a word on one side and its meaning or picture on the other. You can make your own flashcards or use apps like Quizlet. How to use flashcards. Write the word and meaning. For example, on one side write apple, and on the other write a fruit. Add pictures. Pictures help you remember words faster. Review daily. Look at your flashcards every day to remember the words. 7. Read simple books and stories. Reading is a fun and effective way to learn English. Start with short, easy books like children's stories or beginner textbooks. These books use simple sentences and common words. Benefits of reading. Learn new words. You will see words in context, which helps you understand their meaning. Improve grammar. Reading shows you how sentences are structured. Build confidence. Finishing a book, no matter how small, feels like an achievement. 8. Write a little every day. Writing helps you remember what you have learned. When I started, I kept a small notebook where I wrote 1 or 2 sentences daily. Over time, my writing improved. Writing practice ideas. Daily journal. Write about your day, such as, "Today I went to the park." Simple emails or texts. Try writing in English when messaging friends. Practice sentences. Use new vocabulary words in your writing. 9. Watch and repeat. A great trick I used was watching videos or listening to audio and then repeating what I heard. This helped me improve my pronunciation and speaking skills. Steps for watch and repeat. Choose a short clip. A 1 to 2 minute video or audio clip is enough. Listen carefully. Focus on the pronunciation and tone. Repeat out loud. Try to copy the speaker's words and accent. Check yourself. Record your voice and compare it with the original. 10. Stay consistent and have fun. Finally, the most important secret is to enjoy the process. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. Find ways to make it fun, like playing games, singing songs, or joining a group of learners. Fun activities. Play word games, crossword puzzles, word searches, or apps like Scrabble. Sing along. Pick your favorite English songs and sing along. Join clubs. Many local or online clubs focus on English practice. Conclusion: learning English is not impossible, even for beginners. My secret is simple. Stay positive, make a plan, and practice every day. Remember to take small steps and enjoy the journey. With time and effort, you will see amazing results. Now it's your turn. What is your English learning secret? Start today and never give up. You've got this.